Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to do the unusual unboxing because I'm doing the unboxing of my new Apple Watch Series 4. This is Series 4. Yeah, this is unusual because Apple already released so long ago the Apple Watch Series 5, but today I got my Apple Watch Series 4 at 629 Singapore dollars. So this is on sale. So I already have some Apple Watch. So I already have like Series 3 compared to the Series 3 I have before, the Series 3 Nike edition. And then right now I'm so happy because I got the new, oh no, this is not a new, this is Series 4 stainless steel white sportsman. I really like the stainless steel because last time during the first release of Apple Watch I already have the stainless steel, and I really like those straps. That's why I purposely purchased the stainless steel white sportsman because I already have the link bracelet. I also have Milanese loop. This is one of my most favorite because of the color. It's the saddle brown, and this is also one of my favorite would be the loop, magnetic loop, magnetic loop strap. And yeah, so that's why I purposely purchased the Apple Watch Series 4 because I think I don't see any big difference with the Series 4 between the Series 4 and Series 5, because the Series 4 and Series 5, I think the main difference would be the storage. The storage of the Series 5 would be 32 gig compared to the Series 4, which is 16 gig. And what else? The main difference also of the Series 5 would be always on, so you don't really need to raise your wrist to be able to see the screen of your watch. But that's why I just get the Series 4, and I'm very happy on this one. So I wanted to show you first the difference between the box. So right now the Series compared to the Series 3. So the Series 3 is more longer, and this is now the box of the Series 4. So I think the Series 4 and Series 5 would be the same box. And there you go. So this is my Series 3 last time, and then I'm wearing the Nike edition. And let's do the unboxing. So let's do. So what's good in Apple would be the unboxing thing. So you feel like the surprise, the element of surprise if you're doing the unboxing of an Apple product. So you can see. Alright, so this is my watch, and this is the strap. I think I'm not going to wear this one, or maybe very seldom I'm going to use the white strap. Maybe depends on my outfit, but yeah, you can see this is the watch, and this is the manual designed by Apple in California. Of course, you will see also you have the charger here, and of course the stainless steel Series 4 watch. Alright, so I'm going to pick which one should I use. So I normally, or maybe just use the link bracelet. So what's good on this one, because this is now a 44mm, and I'm wearing the very first generation watch would be also 42mm, and the bracelet is completely compatible to this. So this is also one good in Apple Watch. You don't really need to go to the watch shop to be able to change the strap. Yep, so there you go. So this is my Apple Watch Series 4. So I think don't have a battery, so I really need to recharge it, and I need to pair it on my phone and comparing side by side. I think of course the Series 4, it's already 44, that's why you will see a little bit of difference between the size. So yeah, and I really like the stainless steel because of my bands. So I have a lot of bands, and I really wanted to use it. I don't want to waste it. That's why I purchased this one. So I purchased this one at istudiosg.com. Original price of this one last time, when Apple launched the Series 4, the original price would be $1,079, and I got it from $629 with 1-year warranty because I just purchased this one. Alright guys, so this is my unboxing of my Apple Watch Series 4, and I'm very much excited to wear again a stainless steel because stainless steel is anywhere you can watch this one. And but I also have the aluminum, by the way. Aluminum is basically if I want to go to the gym, then I wear this one, and then if I go to casual occasion or I go to work, office, and anywhere, so I'm going to wear the stainless steel. That's why I buy this one. So I really love Apple products. So this is my unboxing of, again, this is my unboxing of my Apple Watch Series 4, and thank you guys for watching, and please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Bye.